What's going on, guys? Cindy here, and welcome back to another video on the channel. And today what I'm going to be doing is showing you all how to make a simple banner using Photoshop CS6. First off, what we're going to want to do is just make a new file. So 2560 by 1440, make sure it's pixels, background transparent, easy, okay. Alright, next thing you're going to want to do is import this background in, this background template, that's what it's called, banner template. So I'll leave the link for that in the description. Yeah, so you're going to want to open that into here. Then you want to go get this. I'll just change this to a black. Click on the rectangle tool, and you're going to want to just block off this area that's not in this main rectangle, because yeah, we don't need it, so it just makes it easier. So yeah, block off that, easy. Make a new layer down here, just click on that. Put that probably down to the bottom, and let's see, yeah, that's the background, so delete that template. Alright guys, the next thing is select the paint bucket tool, click on this, give it a bit of an off-white color, so go all the way up to the top left corner and go down a bit, probably about that much. Okay, fill that in, easy. Next step is to add in an image you like, so I've added in this one. Alright, then click on here where it says normal, go down to luminosity, click that, it'll just make it black and white, so it's easier to edit. Alright, and put the opacity of it down to about 65, yeah, about 65. Alright, next thing is to add in the text, so just add in a text box and put in your channel name. So for me that's Cine, tick, make sure it's whatever font you like, I like this one. And 72 font size, tick, and then we'll Control T on that, hold shift, and just make it whatever size you want, so about that, tick. Next thing, press Control A while selected on the Cine layer, or the text layer, press layer, align layers to selection, and vertical centers, go back on that, and horizontal centers, and that just puts it all the way to the center. So it's a fully centered text. Alright guys, next thing you want to do is add a new layer, put it down to the second bottom, and then press on the polygon lasso up here, and click where you want this to go straight through our N, so just on the edge of it there, so probably about that. So just click, 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 and cut it off there, easy, and select whatever color you want. I want green, and then the paint bucket tool. Then just click on there, boom, man, that actually looks really nice. And once you've done that, just click off, double click with the lasso tool, done. I might select my text here, go over the N and the Y, and I'm going to change that to green. Yeah, this looks really good. So as you can see, we've got green background with white text here, white background with green text. You guys, I don't know what you want, but that's my kind of style. I really like the look of that. Next, let's see what we can do. I want to make the edges and the bottom a bit darker. So how are you going to do that? You're going to select on the paintbrush here. You're going to want to make it really big. Select on this one here. Make it about 1000 size. Hardness, just leave it on 0. And to make it darker, just click on this and select black. Okay. Okay. Now once you've got this selected, and you've got it black, I want to do the bottoms here and the sides like I said, so go onto your layer, I think this is it's the green one, just go onto that layer, go on the corner here, just a bit, darken it, like so, do that on both sides, and I think this is the white layer, do the same on that side, this gives it a little bit of a darkness effect, I really like it. Okay. Do it on the green bit as well here. There we go, make it a bit darker there. Do in the middle of each one the white and of the green, like that. And then change this up to white. Okay. Okay, now once you've made it white, we're going to want to make the top a bit lighter. So let's see what it looks like if we have it on the image. So if you have it half on, half off on the image, like that, about middle. Yeah, a bit of that. Yeah, as you can see, it makes the light come down from the top. Now, let's see, does that look good? Yeah, those look pretty cool. Honestly, I do like that. So you have some light coming down from the top and a bit of darkness on the bottom. Might make the bottom a bit darker. It's not dark enough, I don't reckon. So we'll go back on the bottom. Yeah, make it a bit darker like that. That actually looks really cool. Alright, I might darken this a bit more, I think. We should probably just like select this whole part. Can't, maybe not actually. Just step backwards on both of those. We'll just, oh, okay. Go from both of the corners still. Half on, half off, as you can see. Just try and get it how you want. I'm not really sure how I want it, so I'm just gonna experiment a bit. Yeah, it's looking a bit better like that. Maybe make it a bit darker on the bottom, seeing as, you know, I'm trying to make the bottom darker. Alrighty, yeah, we'll darken this side up a bit as well. Oops, that's the light. That's white, we want to make this black. Okay, so we'll darken this bottom corner up a bit as well. That's looking pretty good, I think. Alright guys, thank you all for watching. I hope you did enjoy that little tutorial. It was just a quick little banner I made here. I can make a lot better. But this is just a quick little simple one for you guys. If you did enjoy, please make sure you hit that like button. Also subscribe, it would really help me out a lot, as I'm just starting out this channel and I want to make a lot of like art for you guys. And I may make a store soon if you want it. So if you do want me to make you stuff, just let me know and I might make a selfie store to sell some banners and thumbnails and stuff. And yeah, so for my next video I'm going to do a thumbnail. I'll show you guys how to make a simple thumbnail just like this one, but with a thumbnail instead. And yeah, like I said, if you enjoyed, hit that subscribe and like button, comment what you liked about the video, and all the links for everything will be in the description. So anyway guys, I'll see you later. Bye.